How to use the Unicrypt Sniper Bot. Step 1. Go to Unicrypt website app. Step 2. Go to menu browser and choose PancakeSwap v2 from the drop-down list. Step 3. Connect your wallet. Make sure all your wallet accounts are connected. Step 4. Go to iLows and choose Live Presales. Now, choose your coin. Edit the bot settings. Add the amount of BNB you want to spend, gas price, and number of entries. For this example, we have chosen one entry. Now, copy the Unicrypt coin link and paste it into your bot config file. Start the bot with the npm run start command. Transactions are being sent to the network. Soon, you should see on the Unicrypt coin page the amount of coins you just bought. Done. Transaction successful.